Hey, it's your girl Margaret, and I'm back with another video about cooking, and today we making quesadillas. So please, as always, watch, like, and comment. Also, never forget to subscribe because I'm dropping a video every day. So let's go. Now, first thing we're doing is chicken. If you watched my Walmart video, you saw me get this chicken earlier at Walmart for $5. Because that's what I did. So, first you want to boil the chicken. Ooh. I almost messed my stuff up. Let me fix my camera. Let's bring y'all down just a little bit, just so y'all can see some stuff. But still see. Can y'all see some stuff? Oh. So, as always, please excuse whatever y'all can see. Something always messy somewhere. Okay. I literally just bought these. I don't know how they close them, but I got these little chicken tenderloins. They were supposed to be tenderloins. These are like sliced chicken breasts. They didn't know the difference between chicken breasts and tenderloins. Even though tenderloins is like sliced chicken breast, but still, there's a difference. Oh, this is a big one right here. Oh no, it's not. Well, it's still big, but hey, this one. Then this one. And then one more for the heck of it. This one. Always keep a little trash bag on the side. Turn it in the fire so it's not too high. And while it's boiling now, I just season it just a little bit. I got some soul seasoning. I don't know what this is like, so I'm going to use this one today. I can just say I use one seasoning, because it really don't got to be that much seasoning. Only because it's quesadillas. It really don't got to season. Well, I personally don't season it that much. I just do the cheese, dip it in my sour cream, and that's it. Stop. What's she crying for? I have both crying. Yeah. But while I'm seasoning my chicken, that's probably going to take maybe 10-20 minutes. Supposed to be 20-minute meals. I want to say 10 minutes. Or you can always grill it. I like to boil my chicken personally. You can grill it, fry it, then you chop it up, put it in a quesadilla, and we'll be right back. Okay? Let me take it. We back. Our chicken is done. We're gonna take it out. I don't know what made me boil this today, but I don't know. I think I was just trying to be bougie, cause I really usually only grill it, or like do half and half. I don't know. I think I was trying to make chicken soup or something. I don't know. I must have wanted something else. But let them sit. Let them sit. Let them sit. Move this out the way. And then we got the turkey.
It's Mommy's fault. Mommy told her she missed this. They cutting on all sense.
Sky, stop! Let's see these damn tortillas work. Get your tortillas. Get your tortillas. And nope, it don't fit. So, get you a bigger pan. Okay, we back. better pan. Fit it. You have to wait. Let's. Oh, it is flooded. It is flooded. Okay, so our first chicken is cooked. Nigga, don't say that bull crap. Oof. Hot. Burnt my finger. Okay, so light stove. Tortilla. Sky, you have to wait. Make sure you put a lot of cheese. So I like mine. This one can be all nice and even. Like that. Okay, this is my finished product. And come back tomorrow. Oop, I'm down. Cause now I look like a crazy fool. So let me put y'all back up, back up to my height. Back up to my life. So, this is my finishing touch. Please come back tomorrow for another 20-minute quick dinner. I still don't know what I'm calling them. I don't know. Comment down below what should I call them. But tonight was quesadillas. Tomorrow's I don't know. So, please come back every day. Like and subscribe. Dropping a video every day. Bye. Good night.